What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We got some big news here up ahead. It looks crazy. Something that'll help investors all over the world, all over everywhere. If you've been looking for news, if you've been looking for real-time data news on the markets that you trade, this is some major here. It's TradingView. So TradingView has partnered with the Dow Jones, okay, Newswire. Okay, so what's going to happen is that they're going to be integrating their real-time market news into its website and mobile applications, guys. This is huge. This is huge. Okay. What's so huge about it is that, first of all, Forex Factory doesn't give you real-time data updates, all of these deals, investing.com, CNBC website, any news networks, they don't give you the news in real time. Okay. There are articles that take time for these articles to come out. And even then, they have subscription basis that you have to subscribe to usually so you could actually obtain that real-time data. So now it's in TradingView. They're closing the gap, guys. That's what's happening. If you don't see it now, you need to see this, okay? They're closing the gap on real-time data for investors, okay? So this will help you to stay informed and make these better investing decisions, okay? So what's going to be included here, okay, is you're going to get full premium news coverage and analysis with Dow Jones Newswires. That's one. Okay. And what that's including is the real time updates on global markets, economics, political events, and expert insights from Dow Jones' world renowned newsroom. That's it, guys. It's closing the gap. Okay. You got to see this now. It's closing the gap for investors. Okay, so this content is also just not limited to just Dow Jones. Looks like you're going to get insights from the Wall Street Journal. And this is premium insights, okay? From the Wall Street Journal, Barron's, and Market Watch. All now included right in TradingView, okay? It's closing the gap, guys. That's what's happening. Now, I haven't seen any updates on TradingView's website as of now that has incorporated this new update since it just happened. It's with the Dow Jones now. But within this month, I'm thinking, guys, within this month, you'll start having access to premium news feeds straight from Dow Jones, Wall Street Journal, like I said, Barron's, Market Watch, the premium versions. Okay. So why is this so important? It closes the gap again. Like I'm going to say it again and again. It closes the gap. Now you get the knowledge in real time. We're not these banks. Okay, there's banks, hedge funds. They have the ability to get this information in close to real time. Now it's closing the gap. Okay, they're bringing these services to help investors to be able to give you the tools that you need to succeed. Now, let me remind you, this is just one tool, okay? This is just one tool in your tool belt, okay? You still need strategies. You still need emotional discipline. You still need money management, okay? And all of these go into the pot. This is just another ingredient into that pot, okay? For you to be a well-balanced gumbo. You understand? So, well, I mean, if you understand the importance of news, okay, you could get a currency in a range for months. You understand that's not playing out, and you may go over to Forex Factory, try to see what's going on, try to see what news is coming out. But like I tell everybody, everybody sees that. Okay, everybody sees these sites. Don't you think the big money see these sites? Okay, they see these. They know the news that's on these news. They already reacted to it. long before, days before, weeks before in some cases. Okay? So now you'll have a stream of seamless access to this premium news coverage. And like I said, it's just one tool. Yes. We do go over strategies. We'll be bringing more information to you all. But it just helps, it just helps, man. If you have already been paying for these other sites, the other premium sites, there's plenty of them out there. Okay. There's plenty sites. You could go pay up to $100, $200. Go get Bloomberg for $2,000 a month, you know. But now it's going to be on TradingView. One extra tool. So, what do you guys think that drives the market? What drives the market? Buyers and sellers. But what drives buying and selling? What drives when someone buys early? What makes somebody sell early? How can you buy at the bottom or before the breakout, or have the confidence as it's breaking out to buy and hold? How can you do that? Tell me. It is going to be information. It's information. If you know something, it increases your ability to be stable. During the market is going to fluctuate. It fluctuates up, down. But when you know something, when you have premium news available, when you know a big hedge fund may be buying, if you could, like previous video or other videos, you could find out the smart money. What is big speculators doing? What are they doing? Right? What's it saying in real time? What kind of global events are happening right now? Geopolitical events that's happening right now all over the world. That'll be covered now in this premium news access through Dow Jones partnership. Okay. So it's going to be crazy. And like I say, it's just one extra tool, right? Trading is not one tool does this. It's having some things in your tool belt, right? You got to have all these things in your tool belt: money management, discipline, or system that you trust and believe to stay disciplined. If you get into the algo trading, back testing, right? Forward testing, in sample, out of sample. How do you want to, So having information is what drives these decisions from humans, from these big hedge funds, being able to follow the smart money, being able to be steps ahead, right, of the now, right? So when you get this news access, it's coming out way before you see it on CNBC, news, and these other websites, Forex Factor, investing.com, right? It's coming out before that. So you'll be able to have that access. It's crazy. I mean, like I say, it's closing the gap for the retail investor, right? It's closing the gap for the retail investor, right? Because the shift is happening, right? Whether you believe it or not, it's a shift happening in the global dynamics of economics, right? So with that shift happening, more news is coming out. It's stuff happening all over the world, second by second, right? Now you are being able to have that access through Dow Jones, through TradingView partnership. Now you got Wall Street Journal, right? And this is the enhanced versions of these news accesses. So you got Barron's, Market Watch, to help the retail traders stay up to date, right? But remember, it takes more than this, okay? It takes more than this. You have to understand other things, other dynamics, other functions of trading, right? And more importantly, you got to be disciplined, okay? So none of this helps if you don't have the discipline to follow any of it, right? So if you like this video, definitely subscribe, like the video, stay tuned. We'll be bringing more videos like this. And I'll see you guys in the next video.